all, good morning. So today we are launching the new course powered by Upgrade and Microsoft. Microsoft and Upgrade வந்து new course launch பண்ணியிருக்காங்க based on generative AI course. So அந்த course எப்படி enroll பண்ணணும், எப்படிலாம் proceed பண்ணணும், we can see the process at in the website. So kindly watch my channel, like and subscribe, share பண்ணி விடுங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வாட் ஆர் தி டவுட்ஸ் இந்த கமெண்ட்ஸில் நீங்கள் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ வி கேன் கோ டு தி வெப்சைட். திஸ் இஸ் த வெப்சைட் called Generative AI Fundamental Certification Program by Upgrade and Microsoft. So this course was around 250 rupees, and then we can learn about all the tools like AI tools like Elevate Labs, ChatGPT, new tools based on learn பண்ணிக்கலாம். So this certification was given by ND NSDC, so within a collaborative of Upgrade and Microsoft. So if you're putting this certification, after completing this certification, put it on your LinkedIn, you will be you will be approached in a more visibilities. So you can see that. And they have shown the sample certification, and this course was around 250 rupees. So this was offer is going on. So kindly quickly, if those who are interested on generative AI courses, so you can see it. And after then, scrolling down this website, you can check it on the syllabus, what curriculum they are teaching, and you can download the syllabus and you can check it there. And what type of around their prediction based on the roles and managers, roles, and how the AI is working on the true enhancing world. So that's all. And another then scrolling down, this and all the big as been big course and certification. So those are interested, you can do it out, but the course fees will be little bit high. So as per they are offering also scholarships also. If your scholarship is applied, your course fees will be under town limited only as per 90,000 or to 50,000 up to. So what are the questions you can ask there, and after completing you will get certification. If any doubts, the upgrade will be certified. Upgrade will be support what are the doubts and this and all. So if those are interested, kindly visit the website and enroll this course. Thank you.